SgtKenzo here, and I'm back with another video, and today is a big one because this is my CyberPower PC unboxing video. So, right then, I've been looking forward to this for so long. It was like, I ordered this computer like 2 weeks ago, and it finally arrived today, and I'm very excited to see, what it can do. So yeah, let's on with the unboxing then. Oh crap. So, right, got some documents enclosed on top right there. Let's see what this says then. Now, the last time I ordered a CyberPower PC was 9 years ago, and hang on, just going through the parts of the stuff, making sure everything's alright. It looks... Yep, everything looks to be in order, so that's just documents and unimportant stuff that we don't need to know about. Right then, moving on then, let's open up the box and see what it looks like, because, yep, right, so sorry, so like I was saying, yeah, I ordered my first CyberPower PC 9 years ago, and if you haven't already seen that video, it is on my channel, and go check it out, see what specs that one had, because it was really old. And right, let's just put that to one side. Right then, what we've got here, ooh, that's new, never had that before. It's a little, looks like a little CyberPower goodie bag. So, woo! Let's have a look what's inside. We have got, oh yeah, PC recovery media, USB stick. We've also got some paper, not important. We've got more paper, but that's not important. Ooh, there we go. An MSI AMD motherboard, burn disk, which we probably don't need. Ball guard security, right there. Ooh, Corsair important information. Ooh, I bet you're wondering what kind of components are in this thing. Right then, let's open it up and hopefully not drop it. And I've done that completely wrong. Oh wow, look at that. The bottoms are meant to look like that, and for some reason it ends up like that. So, oh god. Hopefully the computer hasn't taken any damage. Oh, it's in this big plastic bag, which I assume is to protect it from dust. Hold on, I can't get a hold of it. Oh dear. Okay, plan B. I'm gonna have to lie flat. Bear with me, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Right, get that out of the way. Whoa! Why has the side panel come off? What on earth? Okay. Okay, there we go. Right, remove the bag, and ooh, got a tempered glass side panel, I think, right there. But I don't know why that's come off though. Surely that should have been attached to the case. But all right, whatever. We'll put that there for one side. Now there is a little book here saying important. Read this first. Okay, let's have a look then. Step 1, package foam removal. Remove screws from left side panel and remove the panel. Wow, I don't think this applies to this case, if I'm honest. Alright then, why not? Okay, so you can see here, it's quite well packaged. It's got little like airbag things in the side of it. So we'll go ahead and remove those. There we go. sure we can see whatever's in the camera. So. Woohoo! There it is, baby. Oh, cables. Are those cables? Oh no, they're. Oh no, they're. Oh no. Oh no, there's a cable. Power cable. Obviously, I'm gonna use it on it. Oh yeah. Right. This rubbish back in the box. Let's just go ahead and make sure there's no other packaging materials that we can get rid of first. Okay, so that's it then. So what you get is a power cable, as shown, and this is it. It is the InWin 101 case. So let's just hold that up to the camera. Actually, no, wait, no. Before that, let's put the door back on it. Show you what it's supposed to look like. Okay. Apparently, this just pops on like this. Nope. Okay, folks. So I just got off the phone from to CyberPower, and I don't know if you can. I don't know how clearly you can see this. Hang on, let me just move into the light a little bit. You might be able to see it better. So see where these clips are here. Right, here is basically where it's meant to be like 3 little prongs, and as you can see, they've clearly snapped. So they must have been damaged in transit and stuff. So that's a little bit annoying, but I have spoken to one of the technicians from. Oh crap! I have spoken to one of the technicians from CyberPower, and they said that they would happily send me a replacement. So yeah, that sounds pretty cool to me. So they're gonna send me a new panel, and then it's just a case of just waiting for the new panel to come and popping it back on, and away we go. But in the meantime, you know, I'm gonna fire it up, and hopefully nothing else is damaged, and we can carry on with the unboxing. Okay, moving on then. Right, so a temporary fix whilst you know, CyberPower dispatched me the new side panel is that I've had to put a little bit of masking tape there, just to keep the keep the side panel from falling off. So let's take a look around and you know, see what the I/O is. So on top we've got two 3.5mm jacks. 3.5mm jacks for your headphones and microphone, all that sort of stuff. We got 2 front USB 3 ports. Very nice. Oh, it's so weird talking about USB 3 when I've been using USB 2 for so long. Okay, so you can see, right, you got the branding there, InWin, and the power button is right here, hidden away. Very nice. But I wonder where the reset button is actually on this thing, but oh well, we'll focus on that later. Right, if we go around the back, oh, we got a BIOS flashback at the top. We got 2 USB 2s from the looks of things. A combined PS2 port for your mouse or keyboard. Got a DVI port. Got a VGA port. Got 1 HDMI output. 4 USB 3s. Your networks and your standard, your standard audio, your audio jacks. So here is part of the video that you've been probably looking forward to the most, is the specs of it. So it is using a MSI B450A Pro motherboard. It has a Ryzen 7 2700X processor with the AMD Wraith Prism cooler, which is a RGB, by the way, so when we fire it up, you'll get to see it. Then we've got 2 sticks of 8GB HyperX Fury 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM, and
what's going on here? Where's the graphics card gone? Well, that's the thing. It hasn't got one because I'm going to be using my old AMD Radeon HD 7850 2GB on it. And I thought for this kind of thing that I want it to do, I thought I didn't need a graphics card upgrade just yet. So I'm going to spend a little bit more time saving a bit more money and then get a really, really great graphics, well, not great, just get a better graphics card than what I've got currently. And you can see there, that is a 500GB WD 3D NAND SATA SSD M.2 drive. And yeah, that's amazing actually. That's the first time I've ever seen an M.2 drive before. And it's tiny, so that's pretty cool. It's here, we've got two 1000, I think they're 120mm fans, I think they are. And at the bottom, as you can see, there's space for 3 more fans. And if we have a look down here, it's a user-friendly removable dust filter, so that'll be nice and handy for keeping this clean. And at the back there's just a single 120 fan, I think it is, for the exhaust. Whew. So yeah, that is pretty much it for my new computer. Shame about the side panel, but hey ho. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, favorite and subscribe, and I shall see you all next time. Bye bye.